Hello and welcome. In this video, we present you an adorable 382 square foot container guest house located in the heart of Fort Lauderdale in Florida. The interior is modern and the outside is the simplicity of corrugated container walls. The combination of spaces is one way that really makes this house feel larger than it is and brings out some floor where they would normally have been a large separation. The cozy lounge area is complete with a large smart TV, a comfortable couch or futon that can also double up as a bed for additional sleeping space, with a floor mat that defines the lounge area. The TV stand is also a fireplace, and soothing lights add a touch of luxury to the whole experience. From the living area is a bright kitchen space. The miniaturized version of all different kitchen elements makes the space look lovely. The home has all the essential kitchen appliances and all the basics for cooking a quick meal. The cabinetry in the kitchen is another feature that is perfectly executed to bring out the flair. In addition, the kitchen has a small breakfast bar that also functions as the home's working space. The bedroom is beautifully designed to be cozy and comfortable even in such a small space. It features a comfortable king-sized bed, storage shelves, and slit windows to bring in more light. From the bedroom, there is a modern bathroom. The bathroom in this home is one of its crown jewels. It has everything that you would expect in a regular bathroom and is just as luxurious and ornate while taking up a little room in the floor plan. The shower is a perfect feature for this bathroom. With the amazing tile and rainfall shower head, this is an absolutely amazing place that you could spend a lot of time. The bathroom also features a flush toilet, a modern wash-hand basin, a large bathroom mirror, and storage cabinets. The interior of the container is framed, insulated, and lined with plasterboard, and therefore none of the corrugated container walls that are existing on the outside are evident anywhere on the inside. The floor of the house is finished with hardwood flooring, which gives the indoor space a sleek, modern look. A sunny terrace in front of the cabin is a perfect place for barbecuing in the warmer months and toasting marshmallows around the fire pit on those cooler evenings. From outside, there's no secret that this is a shipping container house where the grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a dark shade against a lush green backdrop. The home offers an excellent outdoor space to complement the limited indoor living space. The green landscaping and the trees around the building help to soften the industrial vibe of the design. This amazing container house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. And you're encouraged to give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers to help our YouTube channel grow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.